The Omnitable is a versatile 4-in-1 portable workstation, which easily transforms into a durable workbench, platform, creeper and dolly. The portable lightweight design is easy to assemble. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, the robust steel framework is equipped with a reversible dual-sided surface. Simply unlock the hinges to flip the panel over for a solid laminated work surface or a non-slip high-impact plastic decking. The push-release buttons lock into place, making it easy to change to different modes. The laminated work surface includes measurement and protractor indicators to determine cuts without the use of a tape measure. A drill hole and hammer strip are also included to keep surfaces protected when drilling or hammering. As a workstation, it's ideal for using power tools, cutting timber, and many other activities on site or in the workshop. In the platform mode, the workstation is ideal for accessing all those hard-to-reach work areas. Equipped with 4 caster wheels, using the dolly mode, moving items is quick and easy, and includes traction clip cutouts to pull heavier items. In creeper mode, the smooth wheelbase makes it perfect for sliding under your vehicle to perform work on your car. This product is designed to optimize functionality, saving space. Due to its slim, compact design, it can be easily stored. The Omnitable holds up to 226 kilograms and transports easily with a heavy-duty carrying handle.
Being a new church, we rent a facility, and because we're renting it and we don't have it all week, we have to set up and take down before and after our service. There's a lot of work to do on Sundays, and we're always looking for ways to reduce setup time and save costs. The GaffGun has significantly reduced our setup time, and we use less tape. Taping has gone from the worst job to the job that everyone wants to do. Our church is safer, it looks cleaner, and we're setting up and tearing down faster than ever before.